This works 70% of the time using 3 years worth of data for index futures. And I'll go through all the data. So this is what you are looking for. This is the kind of setup you're looking for. Let me drill into the data first. This is Edgeful. Edgeful contains dozens and dozens of reports spread over a number of years for pretty much every single asset that allows you to either find your edge in the markets or to refine your edge. Now, the report I want to run through today is a futures report on ES, which is the S&P 500. It's the weekly open retracement report for 3 years. Now, what it essentially says, and let's go back to the charts. Every Sunday, the market opens at 6 p.m. Okay, this is your weekly open. The open of Monday's session is always at 9:30 a.m. on Monday. So this report tells you at the open of the first trading session, Monday 9:30, what is the percentage chance, or how likely, what is the frequency of a retracement back to the Sunday open, to the weekly open, which means you are ignoring all of this price action. So forget this price action. You are just coming onto the charts and saying, on Monday, what is the likelihood that we will retrace back to this Sunday weekly open? Okay, whether we opened above it or whether we open below it. Because if we have a high probability chance that we're going to get a retracement, we have our bias for that day. Okay, nice and easy. Now, the great thing is we have the statistics in Edgeful. So using 3 years worth of data, Monday's price action retraces back to the Sunday opening price 69.84% of the time. 70% of the time, whether ES opens above or below the weekly open, 70% of the time, it will retrace back to that open. This is a powerful bias. 17% of the time it happens on Tuesday, 7% of the time on a Wednesday, and it gets less and less and less.